Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are sharing how essential oils can help with back to school season. I have a few different categories, and in this video, I'm focusing on single essential oils that you can make your own rollers, inhalers, or diffuse. In the blog post, I will also include pre-made rollers. A lot of brands have these rollers that are just diluted and labeled and ready to go for specific things. So if you're interested in more of that type of product, or just like with the singles that I'm talking about, pre-made products, I will put those in this blog post. But I have how many different categories? 7 different categories. And then also in this blog post and in the description, I will have our favorite essential oil companies that we like to use. Just off the top of my head for this specifically, Revive and Plant Therapy are great because they both have kids lines for specific things. And then they also have a lot of pre-made rollers and things that are diluted for kids. And so just super easy and helpful. And really, essential oil inhalers like this one and then pre-diluted rollers are what we throw in the girls' backpacks because they're very easy and then they don't have to guess on what to use. We just got some stickers, so I recommend that for kids as well. They're emoji stickers that you can slap on our inhalers like this or rollers, and then they can see in picture, especially for younger kids, what the roller is for and where to apply it. So anyways, with that being said, let's talk about the categories that I guess personally that we struggle with or need some support with during school season. So easing anxiety is number 1. We have we have 2 kids at home, 5 and 8. One is really prone to anxiety and going into new things, and one isn't. So for one, we just make an inhaler and rollers, and then we can diffuse in the car, along with just words of affirmation and prayer while we're in the car too, but this goes along with that. So lavender, bergamot, and Roman chamomile are our top 3 faves for this. Lavender is just always known for its calming and sedative properties, so it can help with easing anxiety. This I will also include in this one, but there is a Courage blend by Revive. It is the Valor dupe from Young Living. This is an amazing blend for anxiety and just promoting just like courage and just going into new things. It's really helpful, so I'll put that here. Number 2 is enhancing focus and concentration. So I know you can't really be in school with them unless you're homeschooling, so this would be a great one to diffuse if you're homeschooling, but also if you're not and you're sending your kids to school. So again, sending an inhaler or roller with peppermint, rosemary, lemon. Those are the 3 essential oils that I'm focusing on for this post. There are so many different versatile oils that you can use for so many different things, but peppermint is just super invigorating, so helping with focus in that way. Rosemary is often referred to as the memory oil. There are studies done on studying with rosemary and how it can help improve your focus and concentration, cognitive function, and things like that. It's really amazing. And then lemon or any citrus oil that you love is super uplifting and can just help you focus. Cultivating courage and confidence. Again, this goes along with prayer and really helping your kids and having conversations with them and where they get their confidence in. And from us, it's from the Lord. But in combination with that, this roller is amazing. But also some single essential oils are cedarwood, frankincense, and clary sage. Clary sage is an amazing essential oil to help balance your mood and emotions. It's super uplifting. It's really just a great smelling essential oil too, so super powerful. Cedarwood and frankincense are going to be the grounding and calming essential oils. It can help you become more centered and more focused on what you need to. Studying and retaining information. Again, there are lots of different pre-made blends for this. I know Young Living has some, Revive has some, Plant Therapy, but vetiver, grapefruit, and lavender. Vetiver is really grounding and really helps to promote that deep concentration, focus, so you can again study diffusing it if you are able to, or just have a roller or inhaler. Grapefruit is a really stimulating, citrus oils also, so whatever your favorite one is, it can just help boost your mood. To help, you can also blend grapefruit or whatever your favorite citrus is with rosemary or other citrus oils. Lavender is in this category as well, just because when you are bringing your anxiety or worries or whatever down to center, then you can help focus on what you need to. Fighting germs and boosting immunity is next. And there are different studies I can link in this post too. There are tons of different immune blends. Protect, this is a roller from Revive, but it's basically a blend of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary. Those are like powerhouse blend for fighting germs in the air, fighting germs, rolling these on topically make a DIY hand sanitizer, could not think of the word, or add this blend to your hand sanitizer to boost the power of it. But tea tree is also a super powerful essential oil in fighting germs. It's antiseptic, antibacterial, all of the antis. Tea tree is really powerful, so making a product with tea tree or eucalyptus, it's great also for respiratory support. So easing headaches and then soothing tummy is the next two, and these go hand in hand for us with anxiety. So anxiety can just lead to so many different things, so getting to the root of anxiety is important, but also just like treating symptoms from that is important, and doing it naturally, not just going straight to Tylenol. That is at least what we do in our home, and we do use Tylenol when needed, but trying these things first is what we do. So easing headaches, there are tons of essential oils that can help with this, but peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus are great for making a roller and rolling around the crown of your head. Inhaling that one as well is effective. There are also pre-made rollers for migraines and headaches. Soothing tummy aches is super common in our house. I would say almost daily someone needs the tummy roller, and I have the recipe always on my desk just because it's a lot of essential oils. I could probably do it from memory, but spearmint, peppermint, tangerine, fennel, ginger, anise, and cardamom are the essential oils that we put in a roller, and everyone in our house uses the tummy roller. It is effective for us 100% of the time. It works amazingly. Amazingly, is that a word? Ginger, peppermint, and fennel, those are 3 singles that if you have them on hand, make a roller. Those would be great too. Just using, but this blend is the king blend that we use, and I will have this in the blog post, so go ahead and make your tummy roller for tummy or for school season. Using essential oils safely is important, and I touched on that. Make sure you're diluting your essential oils. If you have never used essential oils before, especially with your kids, make sure you're using them in a small tiny area to test them in a patch test area before you're just covering them in essential oils and sending them on their way. That's really important. When diffusing, make sure you're using them in a well ventilated or large area, and then diffusing intermittently, so 30 minutes on, an hour off, 30 minutes on, things like that. And then ingestion, a lot of people talk about ingesting essential oils or putting a drop of grapefruit in your water, work or school or whatever it may be, and that I do not recommend. Ingestion is effective in very rare circumstances and under the care of an aromatherapist or a medical practitioner. It's not just to use freely like that. Add a couple drops to your water. For one, they don't mix with water, and 2, using them like that in abundance regularly is really bad for your insides. So don't do that. And then if you have any questions on that, let me know too. Again, our essential oil brands that we like to use will be in this post and in the description. A few of them are available even on Amazon, so it's really easy and convenient to grab them there for back to school season. And then I also have essential oil guides, just different specific things that you would use essential oils for, like hormones, and I will link that down below as well. But as always, let me know what requests you have for videos. Let me know what questions you have. Start a conversation down below, and thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.